So again, as always, we want to copy our givens horizontally here so the proof is easy to see, and move our what we need to prove down to the bottom. So go ahead and do that and pause the video. Now use your givens to mark up the diagram, and again try to come up with a strategy to work this out based on what you've marked up here. So again, pause your the video, and now I'll show you my solution. So this is actually already marked. DE is parallel to FG, and this is actually already marked as well. So E is congruent to G. Now we need to use our information. So if these two are parallel, this is the transversal, which means that we have these two angles are alternate interior. So they're going to be congruent. So let me quickly mark those up. So this is going to be congruent to that based on the parallel lines. And now we need one more piece of information, and here is our common side, and therefore we can prove these triangles congruent with angle side. So that'll be the plan. So to do that, we'll just go ahead and from here, so again, the parallel lines meant these two angles were congruent, so EDF and GFD. We also have this common side as DF is congruent to DF, so we can now just do our arrows, and we have angle, side. I just need to write that next to this step. And that's it.